The crews of the multi-purpose fighters have patrolled the assigned area and supported the operations conducted by bomber and ground attack aircraft. Moreover, the Su-35S crews have supported helicopters while launching strikes against the military facilities and hardware of the armed forces of Ukraine. The Su-35 is a significantly developed version of the Su-27. Development began in the early 1980s. The aircraft first flew in 1988 and was originally known as Su-27M. It was proposed as a super-agile Su-27 primarily for air superiority missions, but also with a greatly expanded air-to-ground capability. Su-35S, a further improved version of the Su-35BM. It was the first version of the Su-35 that was produced in quantity. This aircraft is used by the Russian Air Force and is being proposed for export customers. The aircraft is powered by AL-41F1S engines. This aircraft made its first flight in 2008. In 2012, Russian Air Force ordered a first batch of 48 Su-35S aircraft. At least 4 of these were delivered since 2012. By 2017, a total of 68 aircraft were reportedly delivered.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.